What's up YouTube? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create a natural window light anywhere, anytime, even at nighttime in the middle of a warehouse alleyway. Seems like a great place to shoot. I don't know, or get shot, either one or the other. Okay, so part of Lighting 302 is teaching y'all how to create a natural looking light source, how to recreate the sun in any context. So whether it's golden hour, whether it's shooting midday and controlling light, whether it's recreating a window light, the whole point of this is to show you that you can do it anywhere. Now we're doing a technique that we kind of refer to as opening up a light source. Here's how it works. If you come over to this side, you'll see that I have a Profoto B1X with this is the Magmod Profoto modifier, and I don't think this is released quite yet, or at the time of this video at least. But on it we have the mag box, and in the front we have the focus diffuser. The focus diffuser is going to prevent the light source from spilling all over the place. But I'm going to have Christoph step in, because what we've done in front of that is this is just standard fabric you can get from Joann's or any cloth store for a couple bucks. So standard white translucent fabric is going to be enough. Now, Christoph, you can set down the reflector for now. All I want you to do is actually hold this, and I want to show just how dramatic of a shift we're going to get as we diffuse with different layers. So what we've done here is we have 1 layer diffusion, 2 layers of diffusion, and 3 layers. And it's going to further open the light source each time, creating a softer looking light with every step as it goes through. The reason we use this technique is because sometimes it's not practical from a budget standpoint or a shooting standpoint to lug around multiple large softboxes. And how big of a softbox would you need, and how many baffles would need to be inside to create this type of diffused look? We can do this with a stand and a couple dollars of fabric, and that's it. Let's take a look at the back of the B1X and see we are currently at 8 power. So that's at 1/4 power, so we go from 500 watt seconds to 250 to 125 watt seconds of power that we're getting out of that flash. So take what you got and use what you have. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this first shot, and what I've done here is I've nixed the ambient light. So if I shoot this image right now, you're gonna see that there's really no light coming through. So we've nixed all of the ambient light coming from this nasty alleyway. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add on the remote, and we're gonna pop a flash with that light source placed just like it is. And you'll notice that it's quite bright right now. It's bright because we're diffusing the light source, so it had to be more powerful. So what I'm gonna do is actually lower it by 2 stops. So now we're at 1/16 power. Perfect. Now go ahead and drop 1 layer, the first layer. So that first layer is going to open it up. We're going to go ahead and just bring it a stop up to compensate for light loss. Okay, immediately we can see between that last image and this one that the transitions and shadows got softer. Now we're going to drop the second layer, and I'm going to bring that even closer to our subject. Go ahead and pull that into Nick just a little bit. So bring this, you can set that whole thing down, yep. Perfect, and bring that other one in just a little bit closer. So again, we're going based on size of light source, right? The larger the light source in relation to the subject, the softer the light's gonna be. So we're pulling it in closer to Nick. And now I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up 1 more stop. And there we go. So comparing the first shot to that last shot, you're gonna see several things happening. 1, the shadow transition edge is getting so much softer. 2, we're also getting some spill onto the background. So Christoph, now you're just gonna go ahead and flag the background, and we're gonna create a nice, super soft image. Well, super soft portrait with a darker background. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the kicker too. Cool, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this technique. You guys can use this in any context, any situation to create a beautiful soft light source without breaking the bank. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, give us a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to the channel, check out Nick's work on his IG, and be sure to check out the Lighting Mastery series on SRL Lounge, where we dive in depth into all of these subjects. My name is Pi. I'll see you guys in the next video.